In times of despair, it is important to always remember that the light is just on the edge of the darkness. You have a purpose that is valuable. All tribulations are confined to a certain point in time. However, your power has no restriction. Do not allow instances to influence you forever. Take a step forward and reach for someone and know that someone is there with you.